Hey guys, here are the 7 steps to option trading expertise. Step number 1, learn how to use options to enter positions. In other words, learn how to use options to start buying stocks. Step number 2, practice step number 1 in a simulated environment. Step number 3, learn how to use options to exit positions. In other words, learn how to use options to sell your stocks. Step number 4 is to practice step number 3 in a simulated environment. Step number 5 is to learn the process to choose individual stocks or learn about exchange traded funds or ETFs. Step number 6 is to learn how to value individual stocks. And of course, this is only applicable if you want to learn how to value individual stocks. Step number 7 is to learn how to read charts and follow the trends to help you determine option strategies. Each of these steps will take about 30 minutes to an hour discussion between you and I to go over them in detail. If you're interested, head over to my website, optionwits.com, and schedule a session or sessions with me.